How to use your exploration manuals in Whiteout Survival. So you can use this directly inside your hero section, but you can only use them on your epic characters. So let's just go ahead and wait for this to finish for now. But once it is, we don't have to go through that, by the way. It was just some tutorial. You can go to an epic character, go to their skills, let's say this one, and you'll be able to upgrade that skill. You can only upgrade if they reach a specific star, so you can ascend this if you have a higher tier or higher star character. But for now, if it's still level 1, you'll be able to use a specific amount for the skill. It will increase the amount you'll need for every level you upgrade, but this is pretty much where you can use your epic exploration manuals. Now there should be exchanges for this thing, maybe in your trades, but this is mainly where you use these items. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.